The video is a guide for replacing the TSDZ2B controller. The accessory we need will be new controller. Tools we need will be 2.5 mm, 4 mm Allen key, Phillips screwdriver, hook, 703 silica gel. Use a 4 mm Allen key to remove the 5M5 screws on the chain ring, and remove the chain ring. Use a 2.5 mm Allen key to remove the 2 screws on the dust cover and remove it. Use 2.5 mm Allen key to remove the 4M4 screws on the back cover. And remove the back cover. Use Phillips screwdriver to loosen the wire harness clips. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws securing the core phase wires. And remove 3 phase wires. Disconnect the Hall sensor plug. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove the 2 countersink screws on the controller. Use a screwdriver or hook to pull out the waterproof plug. Remove the controller, unplug the torque signal line, and handle the wiring harness with care. Straighten out the wiring harness of the new controller and thread each wire through the exit hole, one by one. Ensure components of the controller avoid contact with the casing. Make sure to keep the controller flat, with a minimum distance of 1.5 mm between the capacitor and the motor core. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 2 countersink screws on the controller. Insert waterproof stopper. Apply 703 silicone gel to the exit points and the area around the waterproof stopper. Tighten the 2 screws on the controller dust cover with the 2.5 mm Allen key. Connect the torque signal line and the Hall sensor line separately. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 3 screws securing the core phase wires. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten the wire harness clips. Arrange the phase wires. Put the back cover on. Use 2.5 mm Allen key to tighten the 4M4 screws on the back cover. Tighten the screws in a diagonal sequence. Complete.